Hi guys! Today I'm playing Dress to Impress. I played in normal server and came third. Also, if you want to ask questions, now you feel free to ask them. What is this server? Every DTI player knows that this is a free play server. In free play server, this is the voting. If you want, do you want me to wave to Lena? Hi Lena, then I show you what she looks like now. If you want to know why is there lights, I tell you. Everyone knows about this button below, pose button. Style Showdown.